Could Britany Anderson make the best comeback in 2026? After a stellar junior career and an impressive silver medal at the 2022 World Championships, Anderson's trajectory seemed unstoppable. But a disappointing performance at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics and a series of injuries sidelined her from the 2023 World Championships and 2024 Olympics. Now, at 24 and balancing motherhood, could the Jamaican hurdler return to her prime and compete with the world's fastest again? Let's break down Anderson's journey, her challenges, and the possibility of a powerful comeback in 2026. Jamaica's Britany Anderson can be described as one of the smoothest technicians over 10 barriers in the 100-meter hurdles since competing as a junior athlete. She showed early signs of becoming a successful track and field athlete when she won gold in the 100-meter hurdles at the 2017 Nairobi World Under-18 Championships.
Away they go first time. Samba Mayela's going well, and she's just ahead of the two Jamaicans at the moment, but Britany Anderson is on her shoulder. Samba Mayela and Britany Anderson. Anderson's gone ahead, and she's going to win it. Samba Mayela is beaten. The time is 12.73.
A year later, she followed up that performance with a silver medal at the Tampere World Under-20 Championship.
Away they go, and I think Tia Jones in lane 5 got a much better start than Courtney Jones. So Tia Jones leads at the moment. Look out for Britany Anderson. Just to the left-hand side, it's Britany Anderson coming through, but Tia Jones holds her off, does she? It's really close to the line.
It often takes a long while for athletes to make the transition from the junior to senior level in track and field, but this was not the case for Anderson. She made the 2020 Tokyo Olympic team at the age of 20 and was on her way to create history. Having won her semi-final with a personal best of 12.40 seconds, the world was expecting Anderson to create history by winning Jamaica's first Olympic medal in the event. However, in the final, she got the worst start and was unable to recover, which led her to run 13.24 seconds to finish 8th. This disappointment did not keep Anderson down for too long, as she won the 100-meter hurdles at the Jamaica National Championship with 12.53 seconds, a performance that made her a medal contender at the Eugene World Championship in a few weeks' time.
It's a clean start, first time of asking, Temple got up well, Roswell trying to go return, Anderson, Williams on the inside in 3, it's Nugent Temple, going fast, Britany Anderson finishes strong, it's Anderson, Temple, Williams, Britany Anderson is your national champion.
In Eugene, Anderson delivered a fantastic series of performances, including a semi-final national record run of 12.31 seconds.
They're away first time. Camacho Quinn has a little bit of work to do. Anderson of Jamaica going well on the far side, and now Camacho Quinn coming into her running. Visser's going well in lane 6. Anderson and Camacho Quinn, 12.32.
In the final, she ran her heart out to a windy 12.23 seconds to earn a silver medal in the event, making her the first Jamaican athlete, male or female, born post-1999 to earn a major championship medal. At just 21 years old, things were looking bright for Britany Anderson in the championship years ahead. But unfortunately, she became sidelined with injuries, which led her to miss both the 2023 Budapest World Championship and the 2024 Paris Olympics. During this time, she got married and became a mother. Now at the age of 24, Britany Anderson is getting closer to her prime and would want to make a return to track and field in 2026. The 100-meter hurdles is one of the most unpredictable events and requires athletes to focus a lot on their craft. Britany Anderson's journey has been filled with triumphs, setbacks, and resilience. From her early successes to the challenges she faced, she's proven time and again that she has the heart and talent to rise above adversity. At 24, with her prime years ahead of her, the possibility of a powerful comeback in 2026 is within reach. The future is bright for Britany Anderson. Stay tuned. Now, what do you think? Could we see Britany Anderson being competitive again with the world's most dominant hurdlers? And do you think she will return with a bang in 2026? We have seen how fast athletes have returned to track and field since motherhood, and Britany Anderson could be one of them. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the 5 best moments from the Tokyo 2025 World Championships. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Share this with your friends and drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is CaribFocus Sports. See you in the next video.